Right now, alcohol is the most widely accepted drug on the planet. A drink after work, a glass with dinner, a few on the weekend. For most people, it's just normal. But what would actually happen if you stopped completely? Not for a day, for a full 30 days. It turns out your body starts changing within hours. Your sleep, your skin, your brain, even your liver begin to shift, and some of the changes are bigger than you'd ever guess. So let's go through it, hour by hour, day by day. And one important note before we start. If you drink heavily every single day, don't just quit cold turkey. That can be dangerous, and we'll get to why. The first thing that changes happens the very first night, and it's your sleep. Here's the irony. Alcohol makes you fall asleep faster, so a lot of people swear it helps them rest. But it's a trick. Once you're out, alcohol blocks your deep REM sleep, the stage that actually restores your brain. That's why you can sleep 8 hours after drinking and still wake up foggy. On your first few alcohol-free nights, your sleep might actually feel worse. Vivid dreams, tossing and turning, as your brain rebounds and floods back the REM it was missing. Push through, because within a week that REM returns for good, and your sleep gets genuinely deeper than it's been in a long time. Days 1 to 3 are usually the hardest, and there's real brain chemistry behind it. Alcohol boosts a calming signal called GABA and quiets your brain's excitement. Drink regularly, and your brain adapts by cranking that excitement back up to compensate. Take the alcohol away, and for a few days that system is left running too hot, which shows up as anxiety, irritability, a racing mind, and cravings. For most moderate drinkers, it's uncomfortable but harmless. But here's the serious part. If you're a heavy daily drinker, that overexcited brain can become genuinely dangerous, even causing seizures. If that's you, don't quit alone. Talk to a doctor first. For everyone else, the storm passes, and it passes fast. So why is alcohol so easy to reach for and so hard to put down? Like sugar, nicotine, and other drugs, alcohol triggers a rush of dopamine in your brain's reward pathway. It literally teaches your brain, "This feels good. Do it again." Over time, your brain adapts by dialing down its own dopamine, so you need the drink just to feel normal. That's what a craving really is, your reward system asking for its usual hit. Scientists still debate exactly where a habit ends and dependence begins, but to your brain in week 1, the pull is very real. The good news? It fades. Push past that first week, and the payoff starts. With your deep sleep back, your energy stops crashing in the afternoon. Your mind feels clearer, your mood steadier, with no more low-level anxiety from last night's drinks. Then, there's your face. Alcohol is a diuretic, so it dehydrates you, and it triggers inflammation that leaves skin puffy, red, and dull. Cut it out, and within 2 weeks, people often notice their skin looks brighter, less swollen, and more even. You'll probably start waking up without that faint, foggy, not quite a hangover feeling you'd stopped even noticing. Little by little, your baseline is resetting to something better. By weeks 3 and 4, the changes go deeper. And this is where your liver steals the show. Every time you drink, your liver drops everything to process the alcohol. And along the way, it stores fat. In heavy drinkers, that builds into fatty liver disease. And today, it's shockingly common. But your liver is one of the most regenerative organs you have. Give it a few alcohol-free weeks, and it starts burning off that stored fat and repairing itself, sometimes reversing early damage entirely. At the same time, chronic inflammation across your body comes down, your blood pressure often drops, and your immune system starts working better. You can't see most of this in the mirror, but inside, your body is quietly rebuilding. Now, stretch this out. Stay off alcohol long-term, and the benefits compound. Steady your weight, since alcohol is packed with empty calories. Lower blood pressure and a healthier heart. Sharper memory and focus as your brain keeps recovering. And something most people never hear. Alcohol is officially classified as a Group 1 carcinogen, the same category as tobacco. So, cutting back genuinely lowers your risk of several cancers. None of this means you can never enjoy a drink again. It means the constant background flow of it has been quietly costing you more than you realized, and your body notices the moment you ease off. So, maybe don't swear off alcohol forever, but try turning it off, even for 30 days, and watch what your body does when it's finally not cleaning up after every drink. If this made you look twice at the glass in your kitchen, subscribe. There's a whole hidden machine inside you, and we're only just getting started. Give this a like if you made it to the end, and tell me in the comments, could you go 30 days without a single drink?